Hmm. I have a good news and a bad news. There might be some people who are saying, or maybe thinking, have a thought that, what's so good about the BTC? We have already seen this much of fall, so what is so good about it? So, but again, the good news is good news. So that news is nothing more than this slight up move, which we might gonna see with the BTC, and even that move, which I'm, expecting with the BTC, is going to be a very struggling one. So that's the good news. And the bad news, like I said, oh, by the way, disclaimer here, anything which I'm talking here, about the BTC analysis is my own ways to do the analysis, and I'm just sharing for educational and information purposes only, nothing more than that. So yeah, let's continue with the bad news. Good news, as I said, we will see this price level, and the reason I'm saying this move, we might gonna see, and also I said, that move is kind of a very struggling. It's not going to happen in a quick candle, or maybe it can happen because of the pressure. And in my analysis, in this right now in the 4 hour time frame, I have already included the 3-day buyers zone or 3-day zone, and also the daily zone. If I go take a look here, and just to show you guys, this is the 3-day zone, and every trade which is taking place right now is happening above this, this 3-day upper level. I mean, in my case, when I do my analysis, I have this upper level, this upper level, and this lower level, and the zone itself. So this thing which is happening, it's happening above this 3-day upper level. So as long as the BTC of the price is trading above this, this level, and even closing also matters. If right now we have 8 hours and 8 hours, or let's say 9 hours left for the closing of this 3-day candle, and then we will see the new 3-day candles here in this place. So then if price closed above this upper level and started trading here after the opening, or maybe let's say the 3-day candle opens here above this 3-day upper level, then we might gonna see temporary upside move. And that, I think, one of the major thing, the thing which going to happen here, and for those people who will be taking a trade, is some sort of a liquidation here. Those who will go for the upside move are going to be get liquidated very quickly, because the pressure is still in the downside. And this good news which I'm talking about, and I said, it's going to be a very struggling one. It will happen, and it will take time, and how long, and I mean, I don't know how long it will take, but that will happen. And those who will go for the long side in the very beginning, they will, like, if the entry if entry is right, they will see some quick profit. But eventually, due to the pressure, there will be quick fall as well. So that we will be covering in 4 hour. But let's continue with the analysis. 3-day, if price closed above it and then started trading, first of all, it will go for the downside. Again, it will people, or maybe this BTC will try to trick the people here. Maybe it will start going for the downside, and people will be start thinking, okay, the downside is started. But like I said, as long as the price is trading above this upper level, we will see this level. Okay, here I'm just trying to clear things out here first in the 3-day. By any chance, if price enters inside this and the candle forms something like this, then that's a very bad sign, because that means the bearish sort of a indication, and then price will consolidate inside it here in this 3-day zone, and then the price will eventually try to break this lower level. And if price break this lower level, which I think might going to happen still, and that has to do with the bad news, because once price break this entire zone in any given day through some series of candle, something like this, and started trading here below this lower level, then the price of the BTC might gonna go for this level. And we still have some other level, I think. No, we don't. So maybe there would be some other levels but yeah, I have to do the analysis, but I'm expecting the price will go for this level also, 74, 75. But like I said, as long as price of the BTC is trading above this zone, that's a good thing, and then we might gonna see this. And also there is one more thing to add to that fact, that why we might gonna see, or what are the chances of price go for the upside, even try to break this level, is it has to do with this thing, this indicator, which is in the oversold zone. So here the price is this thing, what it does is it indicates the overbought and oversold. So right now it's in the oversold zone, and it is trying to recover, or the buyers are trying to stepping in here, and that's what is happening right now. So that's what is the most likely thing going to happen. But the continuation of the upside move is still going to be very struggling one, because the price of the BTC has to break this level. So that's less likely going to happen. So let's talk about this BTC in a 1-day time frame. So here in the daily time frame, I have already included the 3-day and that's the daily. So we can see this entire green section is the buyer section, and because of that we see these, it's very visible, right? The wicks in these two candles wick, starting with this one. The reason it has this long wick is because of what? First of all, this has 3-day and 3-day and daily, and this section here, this remaining section, is happening because of this 4-hour zone. Okay, so that's the important thing. I mean, buyers are here. This whole section is the buyer section. Like I said, in 3-day, as long as price is trading above this entire, above this, let's say this lower section, then we will see some attempt for the upside, and that upside attempt is up until only this price level, and even not exactly this level, because in the 4-hour time frame, we have this daily. See, okay, this is the same price level here. So price of the BTC will go to attempt to break this daily resistance zone. Once the price break this level, then only, and after that price has to consolidate, or maybe has to trade above this, this above upper level, then only we might gonna see some upside move, further upside move, but the chances are less, but I'm just taking that into account as well. So in this daily, what is happening right now and most likely going to happen is consolidation. Going with the upside move, will get a rejection and then comes back down, and most likely, if it it's supposed to get a support here because of the 3-day and daily, and if this daily time frame didn't get a support here and it break through first of all this entire zone, then this zone is the next price level for BTC to go for. So yeah, that's all I have for now, and everything which is happening right now is nothing more than this consolidation here. We might gonna see quick up move, but again, the pressure will be there, the selling pressure will be there, and the move for the downside will also be there. So because of that, price will comes back down, and then again it will try to go for the upside move because of 3-day and daily. And the main thing is price has to trade above this lower level. So yeah, that's all for now, and hopefully this information will make a difference. So yeah, if you like it, please click the like button and share it with those who need it, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for now. Bye bye and take care.